Hi Colorado Springs couponers. Today we're going to talk about the Fetch app. It's really easy. You scan your receipts, you get points, you take those points and turn them into e-gift cards. Free points, gift cards, free money, yay. So within 3 months I've made $50 and I used it for an Amazon gift card. So it's win-win. I buy exactly what I need and get points. You click there, take a picture of your receipt, take your fingers out of the way, it turns green, click, and then click the plus sign to add. Want to add another section, you have to get the top and the bottom of your receipt. It does need to include the date. There we go. And you click submit. It does the finish up. You know, once it does that, it's going to go through and you can verify. And you do want to verify because now and then it has been wrong. There's my scan bonus, additional bonus, Ore-Ida fries ×2. Those are just different suggestions instead of buying what I actually bought. And done. Okay, now if you come here, these are all the items that it has points for. You can go to rewards and my rewards. This is what I have received. $50 on 12/19 and another $50 on 3/18/20. So they have points starting at 3,000 to 50,000. You can do sweepstakes, art, entertainment. They're all e-gift cards. Baby items are real big right now, those points. It's fairly easy to use. I will post a link. Join me and you get bonus points along with me. Any other questions, please feel free to shoot me a message.